the best at what you do. From now on, I'll make sure you have the best tech you can spare.
So it's not just a pretty face then?
It doesn't get any better than this. It's everything you need, it's everything you want.
Kelsey, what happened to your face?
What? What do you mean?
You're even more beautiful today. What did you do?
I think you mean who?
What?
It usually works in the movies. Who I did?
Who did you do?
Can I tell you? Like, oh my god.
I'm glad you're happy.
I want to tell you all the things, but I'm speechless in lots of words.
Other people don't talk when they're speechless.
Shit, motherfucker. You one drooling son of a bitch. That motherfucker bullet in your brain and turned you into a motherfucking St. Bernard.
Fuck, 55 degrees, windy. 2 o'clock, big storm coming. Big storm is coming. Big storm coming, big storm coming. Big storm coming. Here.
You gotta wait your turn, Rainey.
Here.
Pay at the register, Rainey.
I'll be Ranger, stupid cyclone.
Hello, Thurman.
Who's that? Who's there? Is that Mr. Joseph? My God, Mr. Joseph, I haven't seen you in such a long time. How long has it been? Mr. Joseph, you know, I was just thinking about you the other day. I was thinking to myself, I said, now there's a good man if I ever seen one. Mr. Josephson in the house. You remember when we used to say that as kids?
What do you want?
Listen, that was some sucker shit I pulled. I shouldn't have came at you like that.
Do you really think that if I had an STD, I wouldn't have told you about it?
Listen, I said I'm sorry. Those are just words.
Those words were exactly how you felt.
Listen.
You ready?
Yeah. Goodbye, Q. And you were wrong. It just takes the right man to, what was it you said? Turn a hoe into a housewife.
Ooh, just got burnt, bro. See ya.
I'm sick of losing client after client to this art thief.
I'm not sure you get how we do business here.
This ends now!